Hey everybody, it's Mychal here from ClickBank for another top 5 offers in 5 minutes. This time it's for November. Let's get going. At number 5, we got Lean Belly Juice. Lean Belly Juice is seeing an amazing conversion rate at 1.17%, which is spectacular with the amount of people who are promoting it. We're seeing an EPC of about $1.68, and affiliates are getting paid out by the conversion of over $140. The people who are over there, great to work with. They'll give you everything you need to get up and going. It's working well on Facebook, it's working well on YouTube, it's working well on organic, it's working well pretty much everywhere that you can put an ad or put a website. Coming in at number 4, we have Eat Stop Eat, which is a digital weight loss program. It focuses on intermittent fasting. Probably you're thinking, well, I focus on supplements. You gotta do this one because its conversion rate is out of this world, above 4% conversion rate. And with an AOV that's about $40 and you're getting paid about $28 per commission, that turns out to an EPC that's equal to that of most supplements, which is about $1.80. It's amazing. You gotta promote it, you gotta get it in your funnels immediately. Now, the places to promote this, I'm gonna tell you, are email. If you have email, that's gonna be your best converting one. Then I'd focus on native. Facebook and YouTube will work as well, but the best converting ones are coming from email. Coming in at number 3, we got GlucoTrust. GlucoTrust is a blood sugar supplement. It's been on the market now for about a year, and it is still converting at a high clip. You're seeing great conversion rates of 1.4%. You're seeing good EPCs of about $1.40, and you are also seeing good commissions at about $140, which is amazing considering it's been around for this long. It's converting great on Facebook, on YouTube, on email, on organic, on native, SEO, Google Ads. It's an amazing product that's going the distance. Should definitely be something that you are testing traffic against as well. Coming in at number 2, we got Prodentum. Prodentum is a dental supplement, and it has been killing it since the summer. Came out of nowhere, overtook a ton of diet and weight loss supplements that were not supposed to lose to something that's not about diet and weight loss. It has amazing conversion rates of over 1.5%. It has amazing EPCs of above $1.60, and you're gonna get a commission per initial sale of $132 or above. They offer CPA, they're great working with affiliates, and they have a great team that is very responsive and gonna give you all the materials you need. It works best on Facebook, it works best on YouTube, it works best on organic sources, email, native. It works great everywhere. You are going into the winter. People have a lot of sugar in the winter. Might be good to have it on the list, you know? So promote it. Coming in at number 1, the numero uno, the champion, the winner of November, the big turkey. We're talking about Protetox. Protetox is a diet and weight loss supplement that came out a couple months ago in August. They had a great launch, and it kind of slipped in our rankings a couple months ago, but slowly been climbing back up, and now it is number 1. And why is it number 1? It has an EPC of $1.77, and that means it is converting, and it's converting with a ton of affiliates promoting it, above 1.2% on the conversion rate, despite the amount of traffic that's pushing that conversion rate down. It works best on Facebook, it works best on YouTube, it works best on organic, it works best on native, it works best on review sites, it works best with email, it works best on TikTok. It does really well all over the place, and the vendor is really willing to work with affiliates to make sure to get those conversion rates going so that they can still keep chugging and going strong. As an extra bonus, we did want to highlight a new offer that we're really excited about. Normally you don't put in offers that don't have any data to them, but once you see the person behind it, you're really going to want to get on board with this. We have a new product called 12 Rounds with Mike Tyson that is also in conjunction with Amplify. It is a personal wellness, it is a personal finance, and just personal career offer. For those who are in the e-biz niche, you're talking a great person behind it, a great spokesman in Mike Tyson who you're gonna be able to sell quite a bit with. In order to run the product, you do have to get approval with 12 Rounds with Mike Tyson and Amplify, but once you do have approval, you are gonna see amazing, amazing commissions and results. I think you're gonna wanna promote it because it's Mike Tyson.
ClickBank, right here.
If you'd like to see the full top 10 offers, click the link in the description below. It'll take you to our blog. If you like this content, subscribe, like, and we'll catch you later. Go make some money, y'all. Peace.